So doing a lot of camera recorder tests at the moment, and I've had to pick up some high 8 tapes. Though a lot of the stuff I'm using is actually digital 8, but that's what you use, high 8 tapes. You don't have to get the digital 8 ones, they're basically the same tape. It's just more expensive tape really if you buy the digital 8. So, and Sony even recommended back in the day just using good old high 8. And if you do, you can see here the time differs because of the speed it records. As a digital 8 will only give you 60 minutes. This is, I'm just recording this video because this is an unusual tape. So this is from China, but obviously it's all the same. I got 2 of these, and this is what it looks like opened. So yeah, more professional high 8 tape if we're a better quality one. I do have some more as well. This one I think is only going to be, doesn't mention high 8, so this is just going to be video 8. So this I'll just use for a video 8 unit, and something I'm not too bothered about because the quality won't be as good. But you don't see too many Scotch tapes, well, at all really these days. But what else? And then this one. Bit worried about this one because I've heard other YouTubers talk about the high 8 professional ones. I'm not sure if it's this one or not. Have a history of falling apart. So the stuff that bonds the tape together falls apart over time. So I'm hoping this won't be a problem. Or if it is, maybe it's a problem that happens after you've recorded years later, because it's brand new sealed. So hopefully it's good to go. And this is another one, which might actually be the one that they were talking about, the YouTuber. It's are prone to break up. But you'll see, time will tell. Brand new tapes in 2019, eh? Yeah, I've done quite a lot of uploading and recording on the old good old formats. Came with a couple of these ones, this camera. Came with 2 of these with stuff on it already, and I've just recorded over it. This one's in, I've labelled up preparation for a TRV-28 that's coming, which is meant to be faulty. So I'll have a used tape that's at the ready rather than sacrificing a brand new high quality one. And then we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I thought I'd just show these tapes because they're pretty unusual, especially in 2019, and I'll speak to you later. Goodbye.